Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gel City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I save $100 to put towards different saving challenges that I am saving throughout the year. And yes, let's get to saving. First of all, I was just filmed the first part of this and realized that I wasn't filming. But to catch you guys up, I was saving $28 for my every Friday of 2025. And this is created by Mandy's Money _ budgets on Etsy. So I did put the $28 in here. And for the whole month of March is $70. This $70 will go towards an extra payment of debt. So far, I have put towards an extra payment debt of 150, 70, 90, to 10, to 15, to 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, to $225. So that is awesome. All right, I'm glad I caught that before I got too far in the savings and realized I wasn't even filming. So let's go towards my weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And this savings goes towards my son's senior year, which is next year, class of 2026. So with this, I enroll in a D8, and basically you just save for the whole week of, you save for once a week for that month. So it looks like we are going to save $6. So let's go ahead and put a 6 here. So 5 and 6. Perfect. How are you guys doing? I am trying to like bulk film, and I am just, my camera just stopped recording. I'm being a hot mess. I think it's because I had stopped and got coffee from Dunkin', and that coffee is like, it must be really strong because it got me all over the place. So let's go here and color. This is created by Save with Judy. So what I am doing is you save $5 per icon, and the whole thing will save $300. And this is also going towards my son's senior year. And I just wanted to get started now because fees and stuff start adding up for senior year. So why not start getting ahead? All right. Did I put the 5? No. $5. And we should, let's see how much we got so far. We got 50, 75. So $75. Not bad. And guys, can you believe it? It's April already. Happy April. All right, so we have this March group play created by Norella's Budgets. And I think I'm going to put, let's put $10. Yes, let's put $10 towards this challenge. And let's do 4, 3, and 3 for $10. And so far we have, and this will go towards, I think this was going towards extra payment of debt too. So we have $20, $35, $36. So we're almost finished with this one. All right. Next we have, Love is in the Air, and this is created by Miss Chief Managed Budgets. And it comes with these cute little cards, and I'm just going to pick a card. Boom. And let's see how much we are saving. Are we going to get a high number or low number? Let's see. No, it can't be so. That is a 1. We are saving $1. Okay. I'm happy about that. And so far we got 50, 60, 65, 69, and $70. And it says 120. So, okay. If we have more money, we'll come back, maybe. We'll just take that blessing right there. All right, so we got this Happy New Year, 12 new chapters, 365 new chances created by Stuff and Budget, says $50. So let's see, let's roll a die. 3. So we are going here. Woo, I knew it had to be a big one left. I think they all probably big. $9. So do I have $1? No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I kind of want to do another one. Let's do one more. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8. Oh yeah, I should have stopped. I knew they was going to be all big. $8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's put a bag. I promise you guys, this coffee got me feeling so jittery. 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Yes, that's right. Okay, $17. Let's put these 2, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, one more. It's one more. Let's see how much we got so far. Because this goes towards my Easter. So this is 20, 30, 35, $44. Is that a 6? You guys, let's go ahead and finish it. Yes, it's a 6. Perfect. So let's go 5 and 6. And we have our $50. All right. 20, 30, 40, 45, 49, 50. Okay. Got our 50. Should I put? Nah, just keep it like that. So gems, that is a completed challenge. And like I said, this will go towards my Easter savings. And that's for like Easter dinner or any activities we are doing for Easter. So that is done. So next we are going to our Say 2025 and 2025, created by Nita from the Organized Aisle. All right, let's see, what do we have left? We have 10, 15, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8. Hold on, let me just put this all together. Oh, I thought I had a little bit more, but that's okay. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, right? 15, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, okay. So let's go ahead and do, let's do, oh my goodness. Let's do this 22. much we have left? 20, 15, 16. You know what? Let me get a calculator. So let me see. I have $5 left. $5. I could do a 5 here. So let's do a 5 there. Let's go with let's go here. Perfect. So that was the $27, and this goes towards my month ahead. So let's go ahead and put all this in here. Perfect. So we got 100, 200, 350, 350, 390, 350, 400, and 5, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $315, I believe. I don't know. I'm telling you guys, this coffee got me all over the place. So if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Just leave me a purple heart emoji to let me know that you made it through all this craziness. But that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much once again for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.